Hey guys, how's it going? Reek here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fully automated enchanting and disenchanting system with Industrial Foregoing and refined storage. Let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so yeah, as you can see, I'm in the same world with my other projects, but basically these are all the things you're gonna need. Don't need those. Basically, you're just gonna need some items that you want to enchant, storage, your grid, your controller, some cables, importers, exporters, that kind of stuff from Industrial Foregoing or refined storage. Some upgrades like speed, stack upgrades. You'll want a black hole unit, the enchantment extractor, the enchantment applicator, the enchantment factory, the resourceful furnace, the material stonework factory, and one other thing that we needed is the black hole. Oops. The black hole tank. Oh, already got it. And then your kind of power source, whatever it is. Just for in this case, I'm using creative. It's actually a pretty simple build, but it can definitely benefit you in the long run. So basically what we want to start out with is, I always like starting out with my storage system, just because once I know where my storage system's going to be, then I know where I can work off of for the rest of my system. So I just got a bunch of 64K storage units. Where the heck are you? Machine casing. Where the heck did that come from? That was weird. Anyway, so we got our storage. Okay, the first thing we want to do is set up a material stonework factory. So we'll just give it some power. We got our stonework factory. So it's generating power. Or it's not generating power, it's using power to generate cobble. Which is the cool thing, is because with the stonework factory, we can actually change it to furnace. It'll make stone. Craft 2x2s. Doesn't do anything because you can't craft 2x2 of stone. Grind mode, it'll turn it into gravel. Craft 3x3. If we had like compress them, you can turn it into compressed gravel, or cobblestone, I mean, or stop. So it'll just go to there, which is what we want. So we want this to use the energy, turn it into cobblestone. So let's go ahead and do that. So we want to set up our importer and our exporter. Okay, so next we want, since we already got our materialworks factory, or stonework factory, we're good with that. Next we want our resourceful furnace here. Oh, and the other thing we're going to need is a trash can. Any kind of work, I just like the trash void. Because it's flat, we can just kind of store it off to the side. Okay, we want to set that to export stone. So instead of making this turn the cobble into stone, we want this to turn the cobble into stone. Because as we do that, this will get experience, like fluid experience. It's called essence. So let's go ahead and set this up. So we wanted to import cobble and export cobble. Alright, so now that we got that connected, let's go ahead and grab our cables, get this connected. This should start filling up. Probably would help if we start getting that connected with the power. Okay. And we need to export or connect the exporting of, whoops, that's not a cable. Where'd the cable go? The stone from there. So we need to import don't know why we have that on our inventory. Okay, so that's importing and then exporting straight into the trash can. Okay. Okay, so this is slowly filling up with essence. I'm not sure if there's a way to speed this up at all, but now we gotta figure out a way to get the fluid out of here. So, let's look. I love these liquid hoppers. If you have a liquid hopper or any other way of taking out liquids, so I find it the best way to go. Okay, so we got liquid essence coming out, and have it go straight into the black hole tank. Okay, so now we've got our automated stone, or cobblestone generating, which looks like it's about as fast. Okay, so it's filling up in here now. Okay, that's gonna be bad. Yeah, not so much. I mean, that's right. There's other ways you can set this up, so it'll just go from here into there, but this is the one way that I've set it up before, so. Okay, so now that we got the essence coming in here, let's go ahead and we don't need the trash can anymore. Let's get our, we don't need the furnace anymore. Let's get our enchantment factory, our applicator, and extractor. Get these set up. We need the factory, which needs essence, the applicator, which needs essence, and the extractor, which doesn't need essence. Okay, so we can get rid of those. Okay, grab some fluid pipes because we're going to need those. whatever. Just pipe this into the bottom of these. Alright, there we go. So as we can see, it's starting to put the fluid into these. There used to be a way to speed these up, and I don't remember. That's range upgrades. I don't think there's a speed upgrade for these. Let's take a look in the manual. Resource production. Getting started. Generators. Agriculture. Storage. Magic. Oh, interesting. And items. Item stack transfer. Oh, upgrades. There we go. Oh, there are speed upgrades. Tesla core. They need the previous tier to be installed to have the next one. So let's take a look. I don't think they're in here. Oh, Tesla core lab. Okay, here we go. Speed upgrade 1, speed upgrade 2. Go ahead and grab 2 of each. I totally forgot about that. So I need speed upgrade 1, speed upgrade 2. Cool. So that is a bit quicker. Interesting. Yeah, learn something new even when you're doing a tutorial for someone. Okay, so now that we got that, this is going to be the end of part 1 of this process. So to recap, we've got our storage set up, we've got our cobble started. Go ahead and start with that. Probably don't really need a speed upgrade because we got quite a bit in there. Yeah, so we got our cobblestone started. We've got our cobblestone, smelting, which is getting our essence. Which got our resource, or not resource, our buffer tank, and these slowly filling up. So, alright guys, oops, looking in the wrong direction. This is Reek. Thank you for joining. This is part 1 of our fully automated enchanting system with Industrial Foregoing. Till next time, don't forget, keep it real. What's up everybody, Reek here again, and we are back in our tutorial on how to fully automate our enchanting system with Industrial Foregoing. I did let this run for a little while, so we do got a lot of essence going. The only other thing I did was In between was set up the power cubes. We added the importers and exporters to the enchantment factory and the enchantment extractor. And let's begin. Okay, so first we're going to be getting into the enchantment factory. This is the machine that will be enchanting, obviously, our tools, our weapons, our armor, and this will give any all the different items just random enchantments, just kind of like a regular enchanting table does. So what I did was I grabbed and put in here a shield, a sword, a pickaxe. I should have added the shovel and axe, but it's whatever. These are basically the main ones that we'll be using. And a regular set of armor. I also threw a bunch of books in here because we need those for the enchantment extractor. Because it'll put a tool in here and take the first enchantment off the tool and put it onto a book. So what we will do is it will import. I don't want it to import books, I want it to export books. Okay. Export books. Let's go ahead and grab all these. So to export all of these, do not compare NBT, do not compare damage. It will be items, do not compare or dictionary, regular mode, no, okay. And it will import them as well. Okay. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect all these up. So now that these are filled up with fluid, this should automatically start working. So let's go ahead and see if I hook this up properly. Boom and boom. Okay. Okay, so it's already enchanting. Okay, why did it not extra? Oh. Crap. Okay, so it only pulled part of the armor. Why? Didn't pull the shield and it didn't pull the chest plate. Okay, so it's pulling off those. Should start importing the books now. Okay. Okay, we're starting to get the books, so we can see we got some knockback 2s, some protection, some unbreakings. I guess we can't enchant a shield? No, it shows we can. Just throw the shield in there and say, okay, I guess we can't use the shield. That's alright. So as this fills up, it will enchant with who knows, whatever. It will pull into here, pull the enchantments off, put them back. just using that much power. Strange. Should have pulled them out already. That's right. So we need the pants, that's right, because we need to put them on the importer. Duh. So don't compare, don't compare. There we go. Go to the helmet and the pants there. Throw these in there until they get the chance off. There we go. So this should be working now. And we will kind of fly through essence pretty quickly, so we can say it's draining pretty quickly. I mean, then again, we do have both upgrades on this. But we'll go ahead and take a look in here. So we got another one that we can throw in here is the bow. So let's go ahead and add a bow into the mix. So we can get... Come on. So we don't need the shield anymore. I wonder if that's what was getting it caught up, because it doesn't have the bow. I don't know why the pants keep catching. Seems like. For some reason, does not like the diamond pants. Now I'll figure that out. As we can see, we can also sort it by ID. So we got some efficiency 4 books, we've got some experience boost 3, fire protection 3, feather falling 4, power 4, being of arthropods 4, knockback 2, curse of vanishing. Already got 2 mending. Aqua affinity, blast protection, fire protection, smite, sharpness 4, looting 3. We've got 11 unbreaking 3s, which we can combine to make unbreaking 4, looting 3, multi-jump 3, magnet 3, silk touch. I mean, basically, we've got it all set up, ready to go. And the cool thing is, with, let's get a fire protection, blast protection, mending, let's see. Let's get a couple unbreakings here. I think we can put books together with the enchantment applicator. Just not. But it's nice with these. So we'll use the pants for an example. Normally we can't have. Let's go on breaking 3. It should I guess Unbreaking 3 is our highest. Normally we can't have anything like protection, do mending, and blast protection. Oh, did they finally fix that? Oh, I guess they did. Dang. For a while there, we were able to have like protection, blast protection, fire protection, like all of that together. I guess they finally fixed that. Well, that's a bit of a bummer. Oh well. But with the enchantment applicator, it just takes a little bit of essence. As you saw, you put your item that you want to enchant in here with the enchantment book. Yep, protection 4 now. Okay, I don't know why that brought it back down. There we go. Just keep doing that. And that's simple. That's how it is. I mean, yeah, you can put these a lot closer together. But this is the easiest chain line. Straight, simple, straightforward, I guess, way of making a fully automated enchanting book process for Industrial Foregoing. So just want to thank you guys for checking out the channel and for sticking with it. I hope this guys helped you out, and hopefully it helps you out in your adventures. Don't forget, keep it real. Until next time, keep modding, have fun, keep it real.